Hi, I'm here today to show you what does the 3D kitchen design plans really look like. There are quite a few different views. This one is a 2D view. It shows you the look from the top. It shows you the different cabinet sizes and where things are in relation to each other. But the magic happens when I turn on the camera. And this is where you really get to see what the kitchen looks like. This is one of the views. And I can move the mouse around to really show things around. This shows you the door style, the colors, and other things that might be going into the kitchen. So this is one of the views. And this is a different view. While we see the picture in 3D, we can also change colors of the kitchen. For instance, you decided you no longer wanted a white kitchen. You want gray everywhere. So by clicking a few buttons, I can give you an idea of how the different colors relate to each other. We can change the backsplash that way and the countertop, so you get to see a different look. I'm going to return this back to white. And also show you a different view. We can also add chairs and other things into the picture to give you a really good view. So these are the basics of the 3D design planning of a kitchen.